Hey what's up guys, it's Kennedy here, and today I have for you reaction to RWBY Volume 3, Chapter 10, Battle of Beacon by Rooster Teeth. See, it's 8:13 here, and I have to go to bed in I think about an hour. I should have enough to film all night, but I don't know if I'll have enough time to upload all night. So, you might not get all 3 episodes tonight, definitely tomorrow, but I will definitely finish the volume by tomorrow. And I know a lot of you requested me react to them together, so I am reacting to them back to back. They may just not be uploaded in time. So, I hope you guys enjoy this. I've got some good old Chesters here, and we are going to get right into this starting now. Oh, another Grimmer in. Here come Royce and Blake. Oh, goodness.
Yang, are you okay?
No.
I'm fine. Is Ruby with you? She's not answering her scroll.
Because Mercury damaged it.
Yang, I'm sure she's fine. She's our leader. She can take care of herself.
Yang's just looking out for her little sister.
This can't be happening.
Penny.
I'm heading to the docks near the courtyard. The White Fang are releasing Grimm into the school.
The White Fang is here?
Yeah.
Yang!
We gotta go. Careful.
She'll be okay, Blake. She'll be okay.
Blake?
Please let her be okay.
We're going to the docks, and we're doing our job.
Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this, man. Come on, Weiss. Oh.
Warning. Safety barrier.
Oh, really? She's just in shock. She's in absolute shock. And Pierre's still not out. Penny. Don't do this, man.
That thing's going to break in. You gotta move. Hera, please snap.
Jean. Oh boy. Oh God. Ooh. Man, get yourself together. RWBY? With Penny's sword.
Ruby? Leave her alone!
I love RWBY when she's all badass. I can't, okay? These episodes. She's not gonna let another friend die. And there's all the lockers. Now slice off its head. Now slice off its head. And John. All of Team Juniper. Oh, and Team Coffee. Oh, all Team Sun. Oh, and we got some of the teams from the other schools. Team Funky. Yeah, they're all here for a good time, man. Oh, goodness, oh, goodness. Now, chop off its head. Chop off its head. Chop off its head. RWBY could have chopped off its head, but that's okay. I like the battle. Yes, Nora. Yes, Nora. Go, Nora. I really hope everything turns out okay. Oh, chopped off its head.
Ruby,
Pierre, I forgive you. It wasn't your fault. You didn't know.
I am so sorry.
You didn't know.
Me too. But it wasn't your fault.
There you go.
She's right.
Oh, Arcos moment.
Whoever was on the microphone, they're the ones that did this. And we have to make sure they don't take anyone else.
Good man, John. Good man. Let's go. Let's hit it. Boys.
Anybody got a plan of attack?
There's so many.
Son, I need your scroll.
Oh man, I thought he was gonna get to do something important. That was one digit. But that still looked pretty cool. So I'll let it pass.
Students,
Oh!
I think it would be best for you to leave.
Oof!
Miss Rose, this day will surely go down in Remnant's history. I'd prefer it if my students could live to tell about it.
Are they expecting to die? Is this like going to... Oh, it's like actual war. Unintentional picture. Let's go, Velvet.
One final match, Barney. Place your bets.
My bets are on the teachers. I really hope the teachers don't die. I really like them. They're super fun and enjoyable to watch. Everyone's damaged inside. Oh, and of course all of the Grimm are coming inside the school because of the stupid white thing. What are your robots gonna do? They have no strategy. I mean, they solve some things, yeah, but they can't solve all of them. Ironwood, are you gonna do something? You gonna do something? Oof. I'm still curious to know if he's a half of a robot because of his freaking skin. Oh, he just got a straight up gun. That's it, just a gun. Does it transform into something else? I mean, probably. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. That is definitely part robot right there. Oh, oof. That was pretty freaking cool. I will give that one to you. You win that battle. Everyone else is in their uniforms, and they're the only ones out of their uniforms.
Grimm are crawling all over
There
the
were
city.
some who weren't.
The White Fangs invaded Beacon, and to make matters worse, some vagabond has seized
I
all my
thought
ships.
he was gonna call
So we
them
regain command, the skies
the
are
F
above
word
us.
that's not F-U-C-K.
So I'm
Oof.
going to take it back.
What should we do?
Yes, John, asking the
You
important
have two
questions.
choices. Defend your kingdom and your school, or save yourselves.
We all know that they're not gonna save themselves.
No one will fault you if you leave. Let's move out.
They'd fault themselves if they left. Like, why couldn't I have helped? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. You guys got this.
I mean, come on. We can take a ship to Beacon.
Yeah, they're gonna go fight. Good man, son. Good man, John.
Let's see. This button.
Ah, Torchwick. I love you, but man.
Oh, fun. How about this one?
Torchwick is Lexi, and Lexi would be such a good villain. Oh, well, there they go.
All right. Nothing.
Honestly, now this is a ship I could get behind.
This one's gonna be fun.
Oh, yes, Glinda. Yes, Crow. Oh! Oh no. No.
What?
Why did I pick up on this? I'm tired. I'm not even paying attention. And it's only 8 o'clock. Okay. Ugh. And again, how horrible of aim can they have? You girls got this. Oh, and he has no idea. Does he? He has no idea. Oh! I don't think he's dead, because I never shot a direct shot of him. Of course, they all think he's dead.
Ruby, what are you doing?
Oh, goodness. She's gonna go kill herself. No. She's gonna go die, basically. She's heading straight to her death. Is she? Where'd the teachers and all the griffins go? That's smart. Team Rocket blasting off again. Oh my goodness.
Go see what that is.
Are we gonna get Neo against Ruby? Oh, same her trick. Is that Wise? That's Wise. Look at one of my wives dancing around. And Blake, one of my other wives, dancing around. Yes. Oh. Oh no. So now the Human Atlas people have to fight against their own. Oh my goodness. And there goes Ironwood. You're dead. Don't die, man. Please don't die.
He's safe.
I mean, I know they won't die. Because, like, they're the main characters. But they still could get injured. Oh, there he is. Adam? No! Adam!
Adam?
Hello, my darling.
Oh my god, no, the way he said that too. Ugh. You are pure evil.
Beautiful. It's almost sad.
Emerald seems like she
It's horrendous.
Emerald seems like she
Focus
kind of
on the
regrets it.
Elysian Nights.
Not kind, like just kind of.
Oh, I'm getting all of it.
Good. Continue the broadcast until the end.
That is so twisted. You guys are horrible people.
And do not miss what happens next.
What's happening? Ozpin, you've gotta do something. You can't just watch from the sidelines. That is not something you're allowed to do. Okay, these people are dying. What is that?
No.
What is it? What? What? That's not good. Holy Mother of God. Holy goodness. Whoever designed that. What? What? Is it like the Mother Grimm? Is it like the Mother? It's like a Grimm spawner. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, you've got this. You've got this. Pyrrha, Smiles fondly. Ozpin?
Where's she going?
I'll go find out.
Oh,
Stay here and keep
they're gonna go do the process, right? Oh, Pyrrha, don't let anything happen to Pyrrha. Please don't let anything happen to Pyrrha. Oh, you're so evil. I hate you. Cinder is officially worst character. Okay, she's such a good villain. She is such a good villain, and I hate that I love her. Like, I hate her as a person, but as a villain, she does such a great job. Oh my goodness. So, Blake is gonna have to go against Adam. Oh goodness. Where is Yang in all of this? Yang, come on, come back, save them. Pyrrha, please don't let anything happen to Pyrrha. Please don't let anyone else die. Really, I really hope that this is gonna have like a good ending. Like, this is gonna have a happy ending. And I know that the series is still going, so it probably will, in some sort of way, shape, or form. I think people are already gonna just die. I really hope they don't just start killing off characters. I know that the main cast is gonna be okay, because the main cast is always okay. Please let them be okay. Oh my goodness. If anything happens to my characters, Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to eat your chicken. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you didn't like it, don't watch my video. And if you like me and my personality, subscribe. And guys, we hit 500 subscribers. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to be doing a special reaction for that. I'm going to start reacting to something I've wanted to react to for a long time. I think I'm going to be reacting to Steven Universe. I've never ever actually sat down and watched Steven Universe. I know a lot of the songs, and that's mostly what interests me. Like, I don't know a lot of the songs, but I know the songs well enough because of the covers that I've seen, and the songs are really good. My favorite ones are, like, The Stronger Than You, Do It For Her, and then the theme song. Also, It's Over, Isn't It? It's, like, really good, and I think those are the only ones that I know by name. But they're very good songs, and that's mostly what makes me want to react to it. So I think I'm going to be starting to do that for 500. I want to finish this first, but I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, that's all I have to say. And bye!